front to the back, cause we hard to fade. We enormous, we can tag it and plus we swarming. The rumble in the jungle, that God lead you forming. We ripping it up, we be giving it up. On a daily, homeboy, we be giving it up. We be cutting it up, scuffling and muffling it up. Homeboy, dig you down.
Let it roll, get bold. I just can't hold back or fold, cause I'm a man with soul, in control and effects. So what the heck? Rock the discotheques and this groove is what's next. Attack, react, exact, a Mac, I move you in. A strong song as long as you groove to this. I keep the crowd loud when you hype. Do damage on stage and injure the mic. As I shoot the gift, MC stand stiff while my rhymes stick to you like Skippy and Jip. Feel my blood fist on my death kiss. The rap solo is, you don't want none of this. Supreme in this era, I reign with terror. When I grab the mic, believe you're gonna hear her. Fascinating rhyme as I enchant them. So let's all sing the Big Daddy anthem. Go with the flow, my rhymes grow like an afro. I entertain the gain and cane, I never have no problem. I can sneeze, sniffle, or cough. Even if I stutter, I'ma still come on.
Black snapback, black beanie, and my chain so bright they can see me. I do it how they see me do it on the TV, but you just ain't looking the same in 3D. You living a lie, I'm living a dream. Table full of champagne, chilling with the queen. Razor sharp blade on my guillotine. Soon as I get ahead, I'm bringing the team.